Conversation 96. Work.
You look tired today. Have you been working overtime?
Yeah, I've been working extra hours every day this week.
Wow. The manager just asked me to work this weekend, too.
The company is laying off employees, so now we have to do extra work.
I saw John packing up his things in his cubicle. Sounds tough.
At least we still have a job. I can't wait till payday. I need the extra money.
I should get back to work. I'll see you at lunch break.
Conversation 97. Helping. Mom, can I go play with my friends?
Did you do all of your chores?
Yes. I cleaned up all my toys, and I made my bed.
Did you fold and put away your laundry?
Yes.
Did you wipe down the kitchen table?
Oops. I forgot.
After you do that, you can go play with your friends.
Conversation 98. Communication. Hi, this is Jimmy. Did you ever get a hold of Mr. Williams?
No. I tried to call him the other day, but he was busy on the phone.
All right. Tell him that if he wants to see my report, he can download the presentation from the internet.
Okay. Would you like me to have Mr. Williams call you later?
Actually, my cell phone is broken, so if he needs to contact me, he can either send me an email or a fax.
Okay. I'll let him know.
Conversation 89. Body parts.
Where does it hurt?
My throat really hurts and I have a stomach ache.
Is your nose stuffed up?
No, I have a runny nose and it is difficult to breathe when I sleep.
Do your muscles ache?
Yes, I feel very weak.
You probably have a cold. Take some medicine and get plenty of rest. Come see me again next week.
Conversation 100. Health.
Aiku.
Bless you. Do you have a cold?
I think so. I took some cold medicine this morning.
Why don't you lie down while I make you some chicken soup?
Okay. Make sure you wash your hands. I don't want you to catch my cold.
I'll be careful. In the meantime, you need to rest and drink plenty of water.
I have a glass of water right here.
No, wait. That's my glass. I don't want to get your germs.
Thanks. Take care of yourself. Everyone seems to be getting sick these days.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.